Yo, Grand Rising, everybody. I got a quick tip for you guys. Check me out. During the funding process, right, when you're going through the credit stacking phase, you literally cannot drop the ball. It's 30 days. So before things report to your credit report, right? Like if you go get a new car or you go get access to credit or whatever it may be, you only got 30 days. So when you go in, you got to go all the way in. So if you go in and you start with cars and you don't capitalize on getting access to credit as well, you're going to mess up the play. It's a 30-day play. Once that lender reports that, debt to your credit profile, it's wraps. That's going to be new credit, and then it's going to be hard to be approved for a lot of things. So you get 30 days. That's why we suggest that you let us run the funding service for you. Like I always say, the first 50K is on us. Anything after that is going to have a service fee, but we're the best in the business. We know what we're doing. We have the affiliates, we have the lenders, we have the connections. So obviously I would utilize us for that service, but that's how it works. So once you go into the process of getting funded and getting vehicles, right, you're going to definitely put yourself in the garden if you don't capitalize quickly. We're not tripping off denials. There's thousands and thousands of other lenders out there. Certain people want certain things. Make sure you guys have your pay stubs, right? Your proof of income, if they ask for it. Your tax documents, if they ask for it. They don't always ask, but there are going to be times that they will ask for proof of income, proof of residence and things like that. So make sure that you have all that in line, before we even start the funding process. Make sure you go ask your HR for your check stubs, your last 3 check stubs. Make sure you have your bank statements that you can print out, or if you got them on your e-statements on your app. Also, make sure you have your last 2 tax returns. Sometimes they're going to ask for all that. So I just want you guys to be prepared for that. We do provide that funding service, right? That's included with our mentorship. You get a complimentary credit repair, right? And access to business funding, because we know you guys need the capital in order to grow and scale your business. You're going to be able to leverage your credit score to get the vehicles and put them in the LLC so that you can not have that vehicle debt attached to you, right? But when you go for funding, that's complimentary as well. When you go for the funding, the first 50K is on us. So we're going to give you a complimentary 50K for your business. I would go in with more. Like I said, it was tough on me having 6 on the personal and only 30K behind me. So I would assume you guys will use us for the credit stacking method because we know how to do it. We get the guaranteed approvals. And if we don't get an approval, we get the reason why. They tell you the reason why, you tell us, we fix it, and then we reconsider, and then you get approved. So yeah, I just wanted to clear all that up. I wanted to give you a tip on that. Don't drop the ball when it comes to funding. People use us and they use our service because we're the best in the business. We know what we're doing when it comes to that. Drop the ball. You only got 30 days. When you get something, capitalize on everything ASAP so it don't mess you up and you're not put in the credit garden. If you guys need some more insight on this, just comment in the question area of the school platform, the questions category. Drop a comment in there, ask a question, and I'll give you more insight on anything you may need. If you're not a student yet, what are you doing? If you're in this community, you see what we do. We stand on business. Join the team and let's win. Have a great day, everybody. Peace.